During pandemic time, lots of companies in Scandi region, in Baltic countries, they all understood that supply chain actually matters. We will not find out within the next couple months where to purchase our rough materials. We will shut our door. We will basically we'll be bankrupt. We actually never thought that we will establish some local unit here in the Baltics which will provide us with some prototyping possibilities where we will have a chance to test things. Because I just wanted to get this feeling, what it's like to produce, how challenging it is, how we can optimize the process. We can get better understanding, thanks to you, about how productions actually works for this specific item.
Usually when I speak with clients, there are many cases, especially metalwork, woodwork a bit less, where the drawings are still on basically paper or 2D.
Yeah.
But for me it was very interesting that you came to me with already a 3D model of the blocks. And if I see myself how to bring from your idea to final product, 3D model represent actually one of the main challenge. How to apply a cutting strategy to the 3D model and how then send to the machine the cutting strategy and to get the final product is actually the less complicated part. So it's very interesting actually where we are, because what I would like to show you is how your 3D model is transformed into a cutting strategy. So how you plan and which tools you use and in which way and which sequence you use in order to achieve the best result, and see, for example, how this cutting process can be transferred to the machine and how easy at the end is to basically machine it.